Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's video, we are going to talk about Xenforo and forum PHP script. And in today's video, I am also showing you how to install it in your hosting live server. So what you need to do is you will need to purchase this script by Xenforo self-hosted PHP script from their official website to use. Okay, after purchasing it, you will get a file, zip file. Wait, I show you how it will be look. Okay, so this is the file, and make sure that it is an a zip file, not an a raw file. So it is WinRAR zip archive, and in it here is an upload folder. This is the main script, so you can also just upload this folder or and this full zip file also. So go to your hosting panel, like I'm using right now Hostinger. So open file manager from here, file manager, and then go to public HTML, delete all the files here, but make sure to create a backup before deleting them. If you got any error while uploading through online this file manager, web file manager, you can try using FileZilla FTP software also. So delete this and delete, and first let's check does the domain is connected to the hostinger. So how you can check it out? Open your domain, and when it show this type of error, that means it is connected to the server, and or any page, default page, hosting a default page that I just deleted right now, it will show you default page. Okay, so upload here, just drag the script from the your PC to there, and it will start uploading. Here you can check it out, it's showing me time. So until it's uploading, go to your dashboard and create a database, and create any new database like, and username, and type in a strong password. After that, click create button, and it will create a new database. It will show up here, it's just creating right now. Database name must be unique, it's showing us database name must be unique. So let's try Xenforo and click create again. Okay, that's database created successfully. So this is the database, MySQL user, and this is the website. Okay, so let's check it out. Our file is uploaded, right click on it and extract, and yeah, type here slash or any directory where you want to extract, like I'm going to install it in main domain. Just extract it, and it will show you this type of files. Open this folder and copy or cut all the files from here, like I'm just move all files up, go up in the public HTML folder by double click on these two dots. I thought there's an issue in moving there. Okay, let me block. Let me close my extension, blocker extension. Maybe this is an error. Okay, now copy or cut all the data from here to public HTML main folder and click move. If you copy, click copy, it will start, and move these files from upload folder to public HTML. It's just running here, you can check it out. So after your files shown up in public HTML, you just need to visit your website with your domain. This is our domain, and it will show you this type of installation panel. So it's showing us some warnings. Okay, so you can also open these extensions. So let's check it out. Go to Hostinger, Advanced, PHP Info. So this is my PHP info. Okay, we have to change them. Go to PHP configuration, PHP extensions, and looks up for the extension it is asking. Also what you need to do is just change the PHP version to 8.3 and confirm. This is also recommended in Xenforo if you are using the latest version of Xenforo. Okay, so go to PHP extension, and here you can just refresh this page. Okay, so 8.3 extensions are already installed and enabled. Okay, just click begin installation, and now it will show you this type of next step is set up the database details. Here's your database name, so go to databases, management, and make sure that you selected the correct domain. So this is the database we just created, and database name and username, I put the same username and database, that's why these both are same. Okay, so there's put your database password. After putting your password, click continue, and it will show you this type of thing, and click continue again, and your configuration has been verified, and you are now ready to begin the installation. Click begin installation, and it will start the installation. It will just take 1 to 2 minutes to proceed this installation, so just wait. If you need any help, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp, and also you can comment in the below video, so I will reply you ASAP, and I will try my best to help you. So now the last step is setup administrator, username, password, confirm password, and email. So just put your username, anything like dear web dev, and password, and confirm password, and put your email, administrator email. So and click create an administrator. After that there's you does not need to do anything, just untick this button, and board title, anything you want, write board title, and setup options, don't change this URL. Okay, the installation has successfully completed. So congratulations if you see this screen, and click enter your control panel, and it will ask for your admin password and email. Okay, so I already saved this, and click login. Okay, so here you can check it out that the Xenforo installation has successfully completed, and this is my server things. I'm using hosting, so in it I choose 8.3 and MariaDB 10.11, and PHP memory limit, max size. You can increase these two values from the PHP settings, so you can upload big size of files and post big attachments in the your threads or in your resources. Okay, so this is the video in which I show you how to install Xenforo forum PHP script in Hostinger. So if you need any script or any add-ons of Xenforo, you can contact me directly. I will try my best to help you. So let me show you which add-ons I have. There's, you can check it out. I have lots of domains, add-ons, and themes, Xenforo themes. So also I have PHP scripts. You can pause the video and check it out them. Here's, I show you these one, and earning and investments. Mostly I have the latest versions which I use regularly. This is an restaurant management pause PHP script I restore. In this there are school management PHP scripts and some others, and this is an ultimate pause and best pause PHP script, and this is last one example for PHP script. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz.